Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you a smart Telegram bot we've developed for massage and spa centers to track therapist sessions, avoid losses from manual errors, and automate end-of-day reporting. We built this for a real business handling 80+ sessions per day, and it's fully optimized for speed, accuracy, and ease of use. We also offer custom development, so if you need a solution tailored to your own business workflow, we can build it for you. Our contact details are in the description below, feel free to reach out. Now, let's jump into the demonstration of our Telegram bot and go over the key features we've implemented based on our clients' real-world requirements. We will add the bot to a Telegram group, and the group admin will assign you as an admin as well, so there won't be any issues with access or permissions. Also, if someone purchases the bot and wants to use it, they simply need to enter the provided password, and they'll be able to access and use the bot without any setup hassle. Now, let's take a look at the bot's admin panel and user panel in action. As you can see, the admin dashboard gives you multiple options like New Session Entry, Daily Reports, Missing Session Reports, Manage Users. First, let's select the New Session Entry option. Once you tap on it, you'll see a list of massage services available, and yes, you can easily convert these options into different languages as needed. Let's select Couple Massage, then choose the room number, and add the session to the report. After tapping Yes, Record Session, the session is successfully added, and both the user and admin receive a notification that the new session has been recorded. Now let's check the user panel. If someone tries to use the bot in a personal Telegram chat, it will ask for a password. This password is fully customizable and ensures secure access. Once the correct password is entered, the user can proceed just like the admin. Now let's take a look at the Google Sheet integration. As you can see, all the data is recorded in real time, including Telegram ID, admin name, service type, time, date, status. Now moving to the Daily Report option, this lets you view total sessions created, reception sessions, matched sessions, missing sessions, and a complete summary report. You can easily track everything from a single place. The missing session report highlights any session that was logged by reception but not matched with an actual entry. This helps ensure complete accuracy and transparency. The bot works perfectly in Telegram groups and in private chats. It also comes with tight security, only people who know the password can access or use it. Everything stays under your control, your data is secure, your staff access is limited, and your workflow remains uninterrupted. Plus, this bot is fully customizable, whether you want to change the workflow, language, session types, or report format, we can do it for you. You'll also receive full access to the bot files, so you can easily change the language or update the password as needed. For example, if we want to change the bot language to Turkish, open the bot's main folder. Inside it, you'll find a config file. In that file, you'll see an option for bot_language or lang. You can easily change the language from there, just like I've set it to Turkish now. After that, you're good to go, just run the bot, and it will operate in the selected language. Go to the top path bar and type cmd, then type python start_bot.py. And now, the bot is running with the Turkish language enabled, as you can see on screen. Now let's check on Telegram to confirm whether the language has changed. As you can see, the bot's language is now set to Turkish. So whether you're managing a spa, massage center, or any service-based business, this Telegram bot is the perfect tool to streamline your operations. If you'd like your own customized version of this bot, feel free to reach out. We'd be happy to build it for you. The bot is designed to be user-friendly, with buttons instead of commands. Users are greeted with a simple menu: start a session or view the daily report. It also accounts for custom business hours. Since the business day ends at 2 a.m., any session between midnight and 2 a.m. is counted as part of the previous day. If you have any questions, if something is unclear, or if you'd like to request any customization, feel free to contact us. We're here to help you. Thank you for watching.